Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Wisco Outdoors. Long time no see, guys. Sorry we have not put out a video. I believe it's been 3 weeks since we put out a video. The last video being Jordan's awesome hunt in Trumpelow County. After that, stuff kind of hit the fan here. The big scary thing going around the world right now. Going around the world right now. Jordan got it. So that put him out of action for 2 weeks. And then, it's a weird time right now. Like, we just had gun season here in Wisconsin. And at least here, in my case, deer don't move during gun season. I know they move at night, but I can't sit out in the stand at 2 in the morning and kill the big buck as it walks past my stand. So we've done a little bit of hunting. It's all been, we're getting down from the stand and we're seeing deer, so there's not really any hunting videos we can put out. It's not cold enough to have ice on the lake yet. It's December 5th today. So ice fishing's almost here. We're getting there. So we'll probably end up doing an ice gear breakdown soon. And then maybe an ice safety video or something. But we have a video for you guys today. Jordan and I both like to cook a lot. And figured if you guys harvest a deer, we want to show you guys some recipes you guys can use for your venison. So we're going to do a how to cook series. If you guys have certain recipes that you want us to try, please leave them commented down below. We'd love to try new recipes. This week we are doing venison burgers, which is going to be, well, since I already know how they tasted really awesome. We also were playing with a new camera, so we should get some really cool shots from there. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Look forward for a bunch of content coming out. Getting into December now. Hopefully everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Hopefully everyone's going to have a Merry Christmas as well. But without further ado, let's get into today's episode. Hopefully you guys are glad that we are back and we're rolling around and getting you guys videos. So without further ado, here we go. We'll see you guys later.
It was dark.
It is dark. Ta-da!
Grill time.
Oh gosh.
That's not what I remember.
Oh, not cool. There should be a light switch right there for that.
Oh god.
Yeah, there we go. Because it's attached to the deck. Heck yeah.
One time you think you bake up in there.
Yeah. Gotta wrestle all the bacon out. It's recording.
Oh. Well, I'm going to take my time and tell the lovely folks what we're doing, eh?
Yeah.
So right here, we're preparing some bacon, and we have our...
You should pitch the new series idea.
Oh yeah, new series idea. We cook venison in as many different ways as possible.
We're running low on ideas, guys.
So, that might be a series. But we have Jeremy's deer here, and
Jeffrey.
good old Jeffrey. So we processed it ourselves and put bacon in with the deer meat itself, just help it hold together a little bit.
Plus, deer fat kind of tastes kind of weird.
Yeah, deer fat makes it a little more gamey, so that bacon kind of draws a little bit of that out and adds a little bit of flavor and some, it makes it more dense and more malleable. So that's how we process our deer. I usually put some garlic salt, some salt, pepper, and then soy sauce on my burgers. Maybe some sort of steak seasoning or whatnot. Depends how frisky I'm feeling. And then we come over here and we get the best buns in the world.
Get those buns. If you don't get those buns,
They're so
you need
good.
those.
So we're gonna be grilling them tonight. And another thing that you cannot forget to do is grill your buns. No matter what kind of bun you have, that is like the #1 thing you can do to enhance a burger is grilling your buns or just getting some sort of toast. Yeah, toast on them. So we're gonna be doing that. We got 4 and a mini burger.
We didn't decide. Well,
That one's for Odie. What are you going
like, what the?
Yes.
So, then we're also gonna put bacon on them. We got a whole thing of bacon because why not? Yeah, Mom rocks. That's why. You can do bacon in a pan. We're just gonna do it all in the oven.
Why is that? I've never heard of that.
Mom, why do we do bacon in the oven?
I don't know, it's quick, it's less messy, and it still turns out really yummy and crispy.
You heard it here first, folks. That's why you do bacon in the oven. I'm sure Google would tell you a much better reason than that, but I mean, it works. So.
All right, so we're gonna get cooking. We'll bring you guys along for the ride, and yeah, that's about
Enjoy the new series. We saw. Oh yeah, this is a different video. Never mind.
it. We're doing a different video.
Different video.
Yeah, this is the night that we saw some deer right as we're climbing down from the stand, but nothing when we were in the stand. So
And it was freezing cold out too.
it was awesome.
Put the bacon in for 15 minutes at 425.
That says 16.
Hold on, give it a minute, then I'll say 15.
Oh yeah, you right.
So we're gonna check it after 15 and see how she looks, and if she's gotta go a little longer, she's gotta go a little longer. Those are ready to go on the grill. Yep. Alright. Do it. Heck yeah. You don't need flipping these things.
The little paper thingies off. At this point, you put the cheese on the burgers.
Yep.
Leave it sit for a couple more minutes, and then you put her on the top rack. If you don't know what your top rack is, you don't know what you're doing.
We're gonna show you. There. Cool.
How we looking?
I think we're looking okay. Think so?
Sure.
Sure?
How do the edges look? They look dry. Round even.
I think so.
Pretty decent. Top rack them.
Alright, so the folks at home, we'll try to do a top rack focus up here because I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There, right there. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is your top rack. I got the big camera on it. So you're gonna get under your burger, top rack them. I think I put that one out of frame. No, I didn't. We're good. Then you gotta toast your buns, people.
That is the number one thing. Talk to the actual camera.
Talk to the
Get your
actual
face.
camera. Okay. Toast your buns!
Yes.
So we're just gonna place them each side down. Oh, I didn't spread my buns right, darn it. For a minute or two, get a, yeah. So now the bacon's just finishing up. Can they see it? It's a little overexposed, but
She crispy.
she crispy, and that's what's important. Here, you gonna focus that, or
This one. Oh, right there.
oh, he's gonna be all cheese. We're gonna have to go from this way.
Oh, down.
Darn it! I messed up.
These kids.
I messed up, but that's down. Oh, I'm gonna
It's
try.
fine.
I'm gonna try it.
You're fine.
It's on your nose.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that was good. We're gonna go clean up our dishes, and we're gonna finish this in the office. Starting to fall asleep.
As you can tell, it is a different day. I'm wearing a different shirt. He's wearing a different shirt. But like explained in the beginning of the video, obviously I had the thing that shall not be named.
YouTube doesn't like it.
It doesn't
Well,
like it at all.
they like it because then they can take videos down and not show the videos to you guys.
Yes. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that kind of video. It's a new area for us.
Yeah, and like I said in the beginning, we both do a lot of cooking. But yeah, we both really like cooking. It's something we've both done a lot. And I know some people first go out hunting and they have like some kind of recipe, but they don't have a variety of stuff to try. So we'd like to give you guys a variety of stuff to try, and plus I feel like people like watching cooking videos.
I like watching cooking videos, and I like eating. I mean, that's always a good thing. We can make your food taste good. That's a big bonus.
Oh yeah. But yeah, we're actually getting ready to film another video. Jordan's actually hiding the bucket very well.
The hard water's coming, guys.
The hard water is coming if it can get below freezing.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're going to film that video right after this, but we figured we'd get a quick outro for you guys so we can upload a video for the first time in like 3.5 weeks.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching very much. We appreciate it. I don't know, like, subscribe, comment. As always, you need to, or if you could, go to the Instagram. It's also Wisco Outdoors.
We'll leave a link below.
Yeah, leave a link below. And
so, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in like 30 seconds. Have a good one.
have a good one.